Here at Archant, one of the main questions we get asked by our customers is how much should I budget for my kitchen renovation? Today, we'll take a closer look at cost and how to best budget for your upcoming kitchen redesign, what to prioritize, and what can be left for later. Hi, I'm Chris, content creator here at Archant. If you're like most homeowners, you already know that renovating your kitchen will improve your home's value. At Archant, we know there's a lot to think about. The good news is you don't have to tackle all the decisions at once. Experts in the design field generally recommend you budget 5 to 15% of your home's value towards the cost of your kitchen renovation. That may sound like a small number. However, according to data sourced from Ryan's, the recorded median home price in New Zealand was $875,000 in April of 2022. For a home valued at $875,000, the recommended budget for a kitchen renovation would therefore be between $43,000 and $130,000. Don't be alarmed if this number sounds shockingly large. There are three main considerations that will inform your budget. How much of the kitchen do you want to change? What is the size of the space? And what quality materials do you want to use? In a rough breakdown of renovation costs by ArchiPro, your spending on cabinetry will be roughly 30% of your overall budget. Installation and labor will take up another 20%. Appliances, 15%. Countertops and splashback, 11%. With all the other elements like flooring, lighting, plumbing, paint taking up the rest. These are estimates, of course, but as you can see, the cabinetry represents a major chunk of the cost. So for some homeowners, refinishing the cabinets could be a more price-effective way to proceed. Likewise, if new appliances are not needed, you'll save an additional 15%. These both represent big savings while still allowing you to renovate the space. How many square meters is your kitchen? This number may offer a revealing look at how much your renovation will cost. It's not uncommon for customers to pay anywhere from $1,500 to $4,200 per meter. The average kitchen size measures about 15 square meters. This represents an average renovation cost sitting between $22,000 and $63,000 on the higher end. With the benchtop and splashback weighing in at about 11% of the overall budget, you have a chance to save or splurge here. Before looking at the various options, ask yourself what the goal of the renovation is. Are you planning to live in this home for a long time, or is this a rental or sales opportunity? On the lower end, you can opt for a laminate surface. While it won't be as durable as other options, it will look great and provide good functionality. One of the better mid-range options is stainless steel, renowned for its toughness in even the busiest of kitchens. For those looking for exquisite style and the utmost in durability, then porcelain is hard to beat. There are other options to consider like Decton, Caesarstone, quartz, cement, and more. Each of these has its pros and cons. On average, a renovated kitchen can add 10% or more to the value of your home. With that kind of return on investment, it's no wonder customers focus on the kitchen first. The kitchen is usually the focal point of a home. It's where family and friends inevitably gravitate to when dining and entertaining. It's also the first thing potential home buyers look at when it comes time to sell. Architect Andrew Minto summed this up nicely when he said, "A spectacular kitchen goes beyond economic value. It has the power to form an emotional connection with a buyer." By now, we hope you have a better idea of what to expect with the cost of your kitchen renovation in New Zealand. If you're ready to take the next step, we encourage you to come talk with us. The Archant team of design experts have assisted customers all over New Zealand with their kitchen renovation questions. With our free one-on-one showroom consultant appointments, you can speak with a professional about your specific project. Get in touch at archant.co.nz.